So let's dive a little bit deeper into the history of C++. Basically, back in the 1980s, there was a guy by the name of Bjorn Strausser who was working at Bell Labs at the time. C was already a really popular language, but Bjorn wanted to come up with a way to make programming a little bit less painful. The thing that was missing from C were classes. So Bjorn came up with C with classes, which was later renamed to C++, which is kind of a nerdy joke in itself because plus plus in C's just basically means +1. Then C++ blew up. In the 1990s, it was powering operating systems, finance, trading systems. In 1998, it was officially standardized, and it was named C++ 98. Since then, it's had a bunch of upgrades, like C++ 11, C++ 13, C++ 17, the list goes on, making coding easier, but still keeping the speed and control that people love. And it's still used in some of the most performance-heavy stuff out there, from trading systems to finance to embedded systems, even space missions. Basically, if you like the raw speed and flexibility, C++ is one of the best tools in the toolbox. Right, so before we actually start diving into any lines of code, there's a concept that we need to understand, and that is the compiler. When we write code in C++, we're writing it in a language that humans can read and understand, but not necessarily a machine. So what a compiler actually does is it translates it while checking for error into a language that the machine can understand. For this next part, we'll explore what a compiler does and how it does it.